Hello, namaste, and welcome. Good evening. I am Dr. Udesha from Mumbai. We are running a Sai Karuna Mission organization which is based on medical and spiritual research. Since 1993, 31 years we have passed on, and the research is main on this meditation to know the self. That's the beautiful science, because in medical science we are trying to figure it out about the organ systems, parameters, blood unit, and hormonal activities, everything. But in spiritual science we are more keen about knowing about the consciousness, about the awareness, about the level of energy, which is very important for us. So I think so when you meditated here, few of them they were focusing on the body, so they were rising their energy. Few of them I was just sensing that you were focusing on your god, goddesses, or master or guru. You were trying to rise your consciousness. Few of people they were trying to focus on the awareness. They were trying to figure it out, the different dimensions of inner vision. This is called wisdom. So it's a different aspect what we are keen in doing the meditation. It's an intention matters a lot, I think so. Am I right? So sometime our Kundalini comes up, which is Ida Pingla, Surya Nadi, Chandra Nadi. Sometimes our consciousness comes up, sometimes our awareness is rising, but anyhow it always benefits us. That's beautiful science. But what I think the meditation should be to know ourselves. There should be a union between the higher self and inner being, which is very important. Your inner being, which is operating you, all the organ system, your structural body, and your higher self is operating through the God's grace, the Guru's grace. Both should unite together, and that is how the moon is helping you, the Chandrama is helping you, because when there is a light, the two things meet each other, the inner being and your higher self. So next time whenever you are meditating, either you can do with this moon or you can just invoke the light of the God. There are different frequencies of light of the God, and so there are different forms of God, goddesses. That's the science. Am I right? So this is there are the different wavelength, and we have the different energy centers. We have different chakras which resonance with different colors. So this is very again important. So there is variations in the life. Life is full of Vibgir. It's a full of rainbow. You have to accept all the colors, and if you don't accept, and if you are stuck at some one color, you will not accept the other people. You will not accept other consciousness. You will not accept other education or profession or spirituality or religion. That's the where we are stuck, you know. But meditation is beautiful, because when you do it, you accept everything. Is it right? Like this speaker, it's showing the different color, but music is same. The wavelength is throwing out is the same. So you have to do the meditation to accept yourself, to accept your strength, to accept your weakness, to accept whatever God has given you, and whatever it has not given you, you need to achieve through your spiritual practice. Might be through yoga, through meditation, through healing. And so we are here for 7 days from today onwards. Tomorrow we are going to scan. We'll be doing the live aura scan. We'll be doing the ES scan, full body scan, and we are going to teach you how to interpret the aura, how to read the aura, how to read your chakra, how to read your mind, how to read your hormonal activity, how to read your organ systems, cellular activity, how to read your DNA. So tomorrow we are going to conduct a small workshop in the evening hours, and thereafter we are going to do the past life regression. People, those who want to explore their soul journey, those who want to know the soul purpose, why I have taken the birth, what is the purpose of my life, and what is the difference between the soul purpose and what is the difference between the life purpose, which is very important. So 1998, when I was a medical practitioner in Mumbai, I was fed up with my medical practice because I was not getting any cure in any patient. Only patients were getting recovery, but they were never getting cure. So I started doing the meditation in Ramakrishna Paramans Hospital. I was there, and there was an ashram, there was a mutt, and I got the answer that meditation and medicine both are important. Chemical and energies both are important. So if you work with this both the things, you will get cure and you will get recovery. So from tomorrow onwards we are going to guide people who are really keen to know what is the meditation, what is the energy, and how to club, how to integrate with the medicine, how to normalize all the chemicals of your body, which is very important, because some of you must be having high sugar, some of you must be having high cholesterol, and what is the cause behind it? Because every time there is a cause, without the cause there is nothing. There must be some negative thoughts, there must be some negative emotions, there must be some negative karma also. So let us figure it out through the aura scan. We have the equipment through London, that is called BFR, Biofield Reader. So we will be helping you through those equipment, and will scan you, and technically will show you what colors you are throwing in your body. So whatever it is inside, you are throwing outside. So if you don't do any correction inside, outside will be always negative. You got me? So this is the difference between the full moon and new moon. Am I right? So in full moon there is illumination, always there is a light, but in new moon there is no light. So there are certain weaknesses in you, there are certain strength in you. So through the aura scan, ES scan, we will be figuring what is the positive and negative side of you. Please work on yourself, because health is wealth. We need fitness. We need to survive with all the parameters normal. We are not just come here to suffer. We are not here to struggle in the life. Life should be in abundance. Money should flow very easily in the life. Relation should be very fluent with your partners and with your kids and with your in-laws and everyone. But how you can maintain those things, tomorrow will guide you. So if you can spare some time with us for 1 hour tomorrow in the morning, in the afternoon and in the evening, definitely will guide you in much better way. You can go through our website saikarunamission.org, and there are thousands of YouTube talks of my name, Dr. Uday Shah. On the YouTube you will get so many research talk, that what are the cause and suffering and how to come out of it. Because if you want the way, we have the solution. If you want to come out, we have the solution. And if you are in the comfort zone of the suffering, no one can help you. So you should come out of your comfort zone, but you shouldn't struggle in the life. Am I right? If you are searching for some answer, we are here for you. So we have come from India, we have come from Mumbai, and we have team of 1200 people all over the world. We have centers in Singapore, US, UK, and so many different, Nairobi, different countries. And this is my 20th visit in Dubai. So since 11 years I am continuously coming to Dubai for the same reason, because of the Sharda auntie's love. Rumi and Rashmi and Mehul is here to help us. So please take our services. We will be really happy to help you. Even Sony is always with us with her grace and with her blessings. So definitely be a part of the research. I think be part of self, be the part of humanity, be the part of this spiritual journey. So that will really help you. You have lived lot of material life. Let us step up into the spiritual life, and with the integration of the spirituality, definitely it will help you. Don't be monotonous in spiritual practice. Don't say, no, I am doing this satsang, I am doing this religious activity. Then you are very monotonous, you are stuck with some colors. You need a vigor in your life. Am I right or wrong? We need a variation in the life. Variation is nature's creation. Never be stuck in particular thing, because then your life will be very boring, and people all will not accept you because you are stuck with something. But if you are doing with your wholeheartedly with a different spiritual aspect, definitely that is going to help you. Okay, so any question before I end today's talk?